Hello everyone.
Welcome to the Tala YouTube channel.
In this video, some seemingly impossible scenes have occurred, as talented motorcycle drivers face unfortunate situations leading to failure. Let's watch and reflect on the risks that drivers must face when participating in traffic. Let's get it on! Can anyone comment on which country invented this vehicle? This man has a unique long-distance racing style on the highway. I don't know what he's doing on his bike. This man tried to overcome the obstacles in training but did not succeed. A husband is teaching his wife to ride a motorcycle on the grass.
Oh my God!
Successfully passed the first obstacle, but then fell. Overcoming obstacles is not easy, but thanks to the cheers of the supporters, he has the motivation to overcome them.
I definitely got that one on video.
Yo. Jesus!
A bicycle rider collided with a car repairman because he didn't pay attention when riding out of the alley onto the street.
Oh my God. Sorry. He shoved his head into a wheel arch.
This bicycle rider was paying attention and collided with a pedestrian crossing the street. Staying alert while driving is crucial on every road. Once again, the bike rider accidentally collided with a car while crossing the road, but fortunately, he was not injured.
The biker turned into me.
We just ran someone over. Wait, should we need to call 911?
Is the girl practicing riding on the grass or something else? Perhaps the girl is testing the guys behind her with a fall. He is testing the bike on the grass but unfortunately hit a nearby wooden board. The most expensive head-first fall I've ever seen. This guy was checking the brake system when the bike suddenly caught fire. Riding a bike on the snow is not easy. Perhaps because he was too heavy when sitting on the bike, the wheel broke in half. He was lucky not to be seriously injured when colliding with a passing car.
Сука, блядь!
He always wins in obstacle course races, but this time he failed.
E sarà in cattedra.
He was fortunate not to be injured when the bike fell on him.
From that ramp.
Oh, yeah?
Oh my God, are you serious? Chase, wait a minute. Paul's gonna do this. Like, oh my God.
This boy seems to have a dream of becoming a professional racer and overcoming obstacles. His actions are not common, and few dare to do the same as he does. This guy is challenging himself by wearing sunglasses while riding a motorcycle.
Oh my God.
Whoa! The rescue vehicle crossing the road without warning lights almost caused an accident. Although failure is an inevitable part of motorcycle racing, it is important that we learn from our mistakes and continue to strive for success in the future. Please like and share to see our latest videos. Goodbye and see you soon.